You ever get hungry? Press this button right here. You shoot some master flames, cook a turkey. Cook a turkey.
Yes, I'm sad to see this car go.
Why are you going to my...
Guys, I shot the freaking garage door. Are you sad?
Oh. Am I sad? Not at all. We got new things on the horizon.
And this is gonna be an extremely special video. Why is that? Because if you guys will recall, two and a half years ago, we introduced you guys to this beautiful Genesis over here, and you guys all loved that video. And since then, we've done a bunch of crazy things to this car. Have we not? We put the Lambo doors in it. We made it shoot flames, right?
Got the nice shiny copper wheels.
You put new wheels on it. You cut a hole in your fenders. You cut holes in your hood.
Oh, I did a lot of shit since then, yeah.
Yeah, that's...
You put lights on it.
You can put lights.
Ricer points.
The ricer lights.
Yeah, the ricer lights. And today, we are saying goodbye to Kyle. We are shipping Kyle off. One of you guys can win Kyle. We're saying goodbye to Kyle's Genesis. Giving it away.
To you.
We're giving it away. All you have to do is click the link in the description. It'll bring you to Kyle's website. Grab yourself a limited edition t-shirt. There's very small spaces, so get them while you can. And one of you... just one of you guys. Not one of them.
No, none of these guys. No.
One of you guys will come out here to California, regardless of where you're at. We'll fly you in to meet Kyle, myself, Junior over here.
Mr. Famous.
I'm not famous.
Not Hector, though. Hector, you're not included.
Alex, no, you're not either. Sorry.
No. But you'll meet all of us, and you'll get to take Kyle's car home. And we'll say goodbye to this build. And I'm excited to see one of you guys get this, right?
I hope it goes to a good home. Like, legitimately. Like, it's a beautiful car. And Kyle put a lot of time and thought into it. And
why do you say angry like you expect somebody to get it and like jump off?
Like, motherfuckers better be nice with this car.
Yeah.
This video is to let you guys know that you can win Kyle's car. When this video gets live, this entire giveaway will be live.
If all goes well, you can pick it up at the Slam Enough pre-meet here on April 9th.
And you can be in the show. How sick would it be to win Kyle's car, bring it to the Slam Enough show, and win a trophy? And this video is a tribute to Kyle's car. I'm gonna put memories on the screen and the entire experience that we've had with Kyle. That's wild. My ears. What the hell?
Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this shit for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this business for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. Like my life is on the line, yeah.
Sneak peek preview. Regular door. Looks like a regular door. Is that a Lamborghini? Or is that a Genesis? I don't know.
first person that says they watch this video and they come in and they say, hey, I watched the video, what do I get? I'll give them a free shirt or a hat. I don't care, either one. Someone didn't even spell that right. They put 2 S's in it.
I've been spelling it wrong.
Genesis.
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 Genesis. This is the sister of the Genesis?
These are jeans, sis.
We have Underglow. We have everything else. Iconic 90s riser. What else more could you possibly ask for? Lambo doors. We're putting Lambo-like doors on the Genesis Coupe, the Genesis. What makes this video very special is because if you would notice that we had a scene change. Looks a lot bigger than what we're normally used to. I mean, that's what she said. Where are we at?
We are on location. On a location in Cruisin' by Design studio.
The official brick and mortar Cruisin' by Design studio. Isn't that right?
CBD. If you need anything done, work, wide body, suspension, underglow, anything you need done to your car.
You almost said suspension twice.
I know.
If you need,
I almost said suspension twice.
If you need, if you need,
If you need anything done to your car, suspension, exhaust, wheels, bodywork, wide body, literally anything. Cruisin' by Design, 1139 West State Street, Ontario, California.
Can we show them what comes in the kit?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got 2 shocks. We
2
got
shocks.
some spacer brackets for those.
Spacer brackets.
Got some wire loom. And we got both big brackets.
These are your Lambo doors.
These are the actual brackets that hold it. They're freaking heavy. And we got a bunch of miscellaneous in here. Some bolts, a bunch of wiring for extensions. It looks pretty sad.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it. So, I don't know what's a little...
Lambo door kit.
That's it. Pretty simple.
Do you really only get one of these and you cut it in half?
Yeah.
Here's a big key that will let you guys know when installing your Lambo doors in Genesis. In the instructions, it said you should have to only extend 4 wires per side. That's not the case that we're finding out. On the driver's side of Kyle's car, he has 10 wires?
Yep, 10 whole wires.
I'll show you a little bit more clearly on my side. The reason I'm gonna say my side and Kyle's side being the driver's side, my side being the passenger side, there's a different amount of wires. As you guys can see right here, I only have 8 wires, which I have yet to cut. Nice. Nice for the boys. For the boys. Another pro tip, don't start this at 10:30 at night. And if you want to try and do this, don't do it by yourself.
Yeah,
definitely
definitely do it with help.
We can tighten all these bolts real quick and then drill this one, and then we can put the shock in and see if we need to adjust anymore. Wow.
So over here.
Yeah, like, you have dead cat reflexes.
Dead cat?
Yeah.
So the cat that already died?
Yeah.
Here she is in all her glory. And we have something to admit to you.
It's a week and, I think it's exactly a week later, actually.
Yep.
A week and a day.
Why
later.
is that?
Because we had to go home.
We had to go home. It was 3 in the morning, the last clip that you saw us. Probably later than that.
That's about it.
Because people at home watching this, I guarantee you they're going to be watching this because they want some Lambo doors.
Yeah, I mean, they look pretty damn cool. Come on. I mean, you guys have already seen it now, but They look pretty cool. It was worth it for me, for sure. Overall, the look of the car and the usability of it, they still do open pretty easily, as in they open pretty far. So any normal person can still get in the car door here, no problem.
Today, we're flaming on just like we flamed on in the last 4 videos.
Isn't that true?
Except today we hope to get bigger flames out of a 3.8 because we're using a dual Hot Licks kit and out of a quad tip exhaust. If it doesn't make bigger flames, you can roast us in the comment below. Is that not a funny pun? They can roast us in the comments below. Bigger flame, smaller flame, doesn't work.
Bigger flames. He has no cats, headers. He's shooting more fuel through his exhaust. Bigger flames, way bigger flames than mine.
I'm crossing my fingers that this is just so absurd that we have a ridiculous reaction on camera because it should be insane.
Yeah.
Yours was way bigger than I expected.
Yeah, I agree with you on that. I agree.
That's what she said.
See, make a fat hole, Daddy. See that? Perfectly installed button. You guys already know.
You guys need buttons installed? Go to Tyler. He's your button guy.
I can install any buttons. I can push your buttons, and like I said in the last video, I could turn you on.
You definitely turned me on.
Oh, my drill's dead.
Bam.
Oh. Holy holy.
Don't
Holy
forget the
holy.
anti-seize. Oh my god, do that again. It's so fucking loud. Dude, that thing is so loud.
What's up guys, this is Kyle with Cruising by Design, and behind me is my crazy wide body Genesis Coupe. This is my 10-year anniversary with this car, and we're gonna give it away to you. This car is built from front to back. It's got shaved engine bay, wide body, flamethrower exhaust, Lambo doors. All you have to do is click the link below, grab one of those limited edition t-shirts, but do it fast, there's limited quantities. If you're out of state, don't worry, all the same opportunities will fly you in to pick up the car. And if you're the lucky one, you'll pick up this car at the Slam Enough pre-meet and drive her home.